Morning. How are we doing today? Today we are going to make chin chin, and before we started we have already disinfected this general area, and it's very important to keep your working area clean. And everything here has been washed, and you have to make sure that your nails are trimmed and clean before you start any production. So we are going to go right into the video, and it's very important to always sieve your flour. As we can see, this is corn flour. We're going to use 1 module of corn flour for this production, and we have all the ingredients here. We have powdered milk, we have sumac butter, we have nutmeg, we have eggs, we have sugar, we have baking powder, we have flavor, vanilla flavor, and we also have liquid milk and powdered milk flavor. So once you have done this, the first thing you should do is to add all your dry ingredients together. So that makes it easy for you. So now we are going in with powdered milk. This is the powdered milk. We are using like half cup of powdered milk, and we can use like full cup of sugar and a half, depending on your taste. You know that in chin chin making, some people like their chin chin sweet, while others like it just normal. So after adding that, we go in with a pinch of salt. This is salt, and baking powder. This half teaspoon of baking powder. You go in with your milk flavor. This is the milk flavor, and it's good that you always sift all your ingredients. So we are going to sift it. This is your milk flavor, just 1 teaspoon of milk flavor. Then you mix properly. You mix all of them to come together very well. The next thing to do after this is to put in your butter. I'm going to use half of this butter for the 1 module of flour, because I want the butter to come out very well. Some people put a little because some people say it used to take up much oil if you put much. So I'm going to put just half of this into it. Once you do that, you now use your clean hands to make them come together. You mold it. But before then, I want to break my eggs. If you're producing your chin chin, you're going to be breaking your eggs one by one. You don't want to be breaking it anyhow. So you're going to be breaking your eggs one by one. So you break it into a clean bowl and see if it's okay. Yeah, that one is okay. Then you break another one and check if it's okay. You break the next one. So all of them are very okay. Ideally, you are supposed to use a smaller bowl to be putting it one by one. So we forgot to put nutmeg. I like to put nutmeg in my chin chin whenever I'm making chin chin. So I added just a half teaspoon of nutmeg powder. So we are going to whisk the egg. You whisk it very well. Then you keep it aside. Then for this dry ingredients that you put in butter, you are going to mold it very well. So that the butter will get into your dry mixture very well. So you have to use your hand to do this very, very well in order to get a good result. And to get good result while making your chin chin, make sure you don't add in too much water at once. You're going to be adding your water bit by bit so that your flour mixture will be okay. So now it's time to put in our egg. We are going to put in our egg. You just make a hole and put in your egg. You can decide to put your liquid milk